friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to making potato capsicum curries in microwave. For making, add refined oil on capsicum and potatoes for coating all over. Take all potatoes and capsicum in borosilicate container. Now start microwave. Select combi 1. You can see it mode is microwave plus grill mode. So I select combi 1. Select 600 watt and time set for 10 minutes. You can increase time, start and increase from 30 seconds. I set 10 minutes and open the door. Now I place my tray in microwave and start and cook for 4 minutes. Now after this I will add my other ingredients for making this curry. So please wait for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the door. Add onion tomato paste on capsicum and potatoes. Add coriander powders, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt and mix it well. After mixing well all ingredients, add some refined oil and place tray in microwave again on low rank. And start and cook for 6 minutes. Our total cooking time is 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, check our curries and add green chilies. I added the green chilies. You can check for cut one piece. This is cooked very well. Now cook for 1 minute. If you want to cook more, you can increase timer like this. You can add more 2 minutes, 5 minutes as you like, and click the start button. But I cook only for 2 minutes because our curry is cooked well. After 12 minutes, our capsicum and potato curry is ready. You can see cooked well, very hot. After cooked well, you can add some desi ghee with red chili. Add on the capsicum and tomatoes, and you can add green coriander for garnishing. Friends, thanks for watching.